Hey family, welcome back. I'm so glad you guys could make it. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Miss T's Secret Recipes. Guys, if you like bruschetta, then you're really going to love today's recipe. I'm going to be making bruschetta chicken. It's easy and affordable, but your family will think that you spent a lot of time and a lot of money on this recipe. So if you have any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Now stay tuned for the video. So guys, for this recipe, you're going to need some chicken cutlets. And if you can't find the chicken cutlets, just grab a chicken breast and slice it in half or thirds. We just want that piece of meat really thin so it doesn't take a long time to cook. And for the bruschetta, you're going to need Roma tomatoes, garlic, basil, red onions, olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, and then I like to top this with a little balsamic reduction. It's so good. So now guys, after we have our veggies sliced and diced up, we're just going to add all of those ingredients to the bowl. Like I said, it's real easy. We're going to stir them up and voila, bruschetta. The next thing we'll do is marinate our chicken breast. And I like to use Italian dressing. I think it gives the chicken breast a really good flavor. So let that marinate for at least an hour or so. You can do it for a little bit longer, but at least an hour. And then when those come out, we'll let those sit out and dry for a little bit, become room temperature. And then we're going to grill these for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Set your grill to about 325 degrees, add a little oil to it, and then you're ready to go. And when your chicken cutlets are finished grilling, make sure you let them sit for a little while. You don't want to cut into them right away. You don't want all those wonderful juices to run out of the chicken too fast. So let it sit, and after it sits, we're going to go ahead and cover them with that wonderful bruschetta. We're going to add a little Parmesan cheese, and then, you know, special treat, grab that balsamic reduction and give it a little drizzle. Yes. All right, guys, don't that look fancy? We only spent about $10 on this whole recipe. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I will see you next time, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Peace.